welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Bessie. I hope you guys are staying fabulous. Yeah, so this video is just a brief video trying to show you guys my new tripod that I use my rat attitude and whatever to unbox before coming down here with my big chest to come and show you guys what I don't know, but yeah, you have to stay tuned and watch. Of course, you gotta stay here and watch. All right. It's been a while I sat down. It's been a while I had a one-on-one. Yeah, a one-on-one. I don't care if I'm not met. Okay, I love you already. Okay. All right. So it's been a while I sat down, and if this is your first time stopping by on this channel, then you are very much welcome. I do appreciate you, and I do hope you consider joining the family. And if you have joined the family already, thank you so much. Thank you to my 300 subscribers. 304 subscribers. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for considering joining my family. I hope we build together and make it a bigger one as soon as possible. Okay? Alright. As you can see from the title of this video, it's just a mini unboxing. I've already unboxed everything. I ordered the tripod from Jumia online shopping, an online shopping site here in Nigeria, and it took like 2-3 weeks now for me to even sit down and do this, because I barely had enough time. In fact, I don't even have time to make video, but I want to make time. I want to schedule, do some little stuff. This is like a mini update, life update, and also an unboxing with you guys. So what have I been up to in the past 3 weeks or in the past 1 month? Yeah, because it seems like I've been away for a month and I've just been posting the wedding vlog that I did. But however, I'm back, guys. I'm back, and it seems like we need to juggle my brain to get back to work. I don't have enough video ideas, so I would like to know in the comment section what you guys, my lovely fam, ignore the horn please, I'd like to know what you, my lovely fam, would love to see next on this channel. Okay, yeah, so I ordered tripod, and let's not just go all over the place. Let me just tell you guys what I've been up to. Basically, I've finished studying, and as it's a law in Nigeria that every graduate, be it a foreign graduate or a Nigerian trained graduate and foreign trained graduate, a foreign trained graduate and Nigerian graduate, if you choose to serve, fine, this is something you have to undergo. So I had to go for camping. You have to camp for 3 weeks, and yeah, basically there will be a video on my camping little escapade, whatever happened, if that's the right English to use. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys a video after this one. So if you haven't subscribed, this is the time to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notified to watch that video as soon as I put it up. Okay, yeah, so I went to camp for 3 weeks, and my tripod arrived while I was in camp. I couldn't make a video to do the unboxing and everything. However, I unboxed it. I just did the unboxing. Oh god, I'm a case, man. And now there's nothing to unbox for you, so ignore that scam. Alright guys, I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of what's left. I've unboxed it too, but I'll just show you guys because I'm already using it. I'm actually using the tripod stand now to make the video. Okay, so now this is the pack that the extra 2 camera lens came with. Yeah, it came with this. It came in this pack, and it came with the fish eye wide angle lens and also the micro lens. This is the micro lens. It's so small. Probably I'm gonna zoom it, yeah, so you can see very clearly. All right, so yeah, and this is like a pack to save the lenses from getting spoiled, or I don't know, getting dirty or something. Probably one of them. Sorry guys, I'm down with flu, so I'm gonna be sniffing a little bit, and my voice is sounding a little bit off, but kindly bear with me. Okay, it came with a clip that will help you clip it to your phone, Yeah, I don't know if this works for like real cameras, you know, the Canon and all those stuff. I don't know, but I feel this is a phone, whatever. It should be for phone. Yeah, definitely for phone. So you click this. Yeah, when I get a hang of how to use this, I will definitely show you guys. Trust me, I got you, boo. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. And it also came with a Bluetooth shutter, like a remote shutter. For those of us that are lazy to be running up and down to set the camera to take a thumbnail, you can just sit down, set it, make sure you connect it to your Bluetooth, and just click and keep snapping and snapping and snapping and misbehaving as much as you can. Okay? And then you can sit down while your memory gets full on your phone. Dumb. Okay, you can actually sit down too to record your video. You don't need to stand up, click, stop, do all those stuff. Okay, you can just sit down at your comfort, whatever, and do it. Yes. So you see, last I did a reasonable unboxing. And this is not like a review because I haven't used it for a long time. So probably I will do a review later. I don't know, but if you guys are interested to know what's up, kindly do let me know. But however, I already showed you guys that when I get a hang of how to use the lens of my phone, and if I'm using it to make a video, I'm gonna inform you guys that I'm using the lens right now for a video. That is for sure. I will do that. All right, let's get back to the life update. Look guys, I haven't gone through that kind of stress in the past how many years, because the last time I experienced such was in secondary school, where you have to march and you have to do that. But it was fun. Okay, I won't talk much. NYC camp was fun, but make sure you go with your number 6. So if you know what I mean, if you're a girl, go with your number 6. But if you want to go play games, all good. However, that's not my own life update. But anyway, I've been so busy trying to get my registration done, trying to go to my primary place of assignment to submit my posting letter and all those stuff. Like I barely had time to do anything. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I would like your ideas. My brain has been formatted and I don't know what to do. Please guys, let me know what you would like to see on this channel in the comment section. Let's engage. For real, I missed you guys, but this flu will not allow me to smile too much or laugh too much or be my usual, crazy self. However, I do hope you enjoyed this short video, and I do hope you consider joining this family if you still haven't at this point. Like, yo, do I need to get powder for you so you can come subscribe? Anyway, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to stay fabulous. I love you guys. Bye.